Chicken chips. I saw an ad. Chicken chips.
Oh, chicken chips. Okay. I was gonna say, what the flock?
Yeah. So these are called Flock chicken chips. I saw these on an ad on the Facebooks, and I thought, hey, why not? I think these might be celebrity. I don't know if this is the Rob Dyrdek's that like.
It's the ingredient diagram.
Yeah.
Chicken skins plus culinary seasonings equals flock of goodness.
Yeah,
Not just regular seasonings, but culinary seasonings.
Culinary seasonings.
I want to say there's a celebrity that pushes these things, but I'm not. Don't quote me.
Yeah.
Anyway,
We don't flock and care. I mean,
Actually, look at the ingredients:
This is
chicken
gonna be-
skins, salt, soybean oil.
is this
How
going to
many
be a thing through the
seasonings are
whole?
there?
Okay. It's fine. No, I like it. Yeah. So yeah, let's see if they're any good.
as they're opening up, I'll read the flock story. We
it's
love
like fish
chickens, and we're pretty good. We're pretty sure you do too. Sorry, vegans. However, enjoying one of our favorite foods mess-free and on the go is much tougher than it should be, and we're here to change that. Introducing Flock Chicken Chips. Super tasty, crispy chips made from real chicken.
All right.
Hey, Peter.
Yeah, we probably should just open one and probably split it, right?
Whatever.
Okay.
Hindsight.
Weird, right?
For not having tasted them yet, they don't smell delicious.
They smell.
No,
like,
it smells like
they,
fish food.
they smell like pretzels. They smell like fried pretzels.
Okay.
Seriously, they smell like you just put pretzels in the. All right, we're just dipping in.
You got a big one? I don't know. Split it.
You got a big one?
Tastes like Funyuns. Real close.
It's like a fusion between Funyuns and pork rinds.
Yeah.
It's
Yep.
exactly what you think chicken skin chips would taste like.
Dried out.
Exactly. Quite crunchy.
Now, mind you, this is the original flavor, so there may be some type of seasoned flavor. Not tasting
There are.
I'm not tasting the culinary seasonings. Just putting it out there.
It says culinary seasonings and then ingredients. It's salt.
Is it really?
Very culinary.
Yeah.
Hey, it's true because in most culinary areas, salt is good.
Once you've eaten a few of them, the aftertaste is delicious.
So, on a scale of 1 to 10, texture. What do you think?
6.
I'm in the middle.
6.
5.
Okay.
It feels like they're doing what they're meant to do.
Yeah, but
It
it
doesn't
is still
feel
a
like-
weird texture being a chip.
Yeah.
Just a little strange being a chip.
They taste really oily.
They're very greasy. Then again, it's chicken skin and fat, so.
Yeah,
As
still
far
more.
as flavor, I give it a 4 or a 3 just because
Really?
I think it's bland. A little
I
bland.
think it tastes okay. I think you gotta eat several of them before you like. Oh, okay.
All right, well, give me a second. I'll give another one here.
Taste. I'm gonna go with a 5. And that's a fair 5. Like that's not a like disparaging. Like these are absolute horrible 5. That's like a 7 something that is pretty delicious, and 8 something amazing. Not these are. Yeah,
All right.
maybe a 6.
I get what you're saying after a few of them.
Yeah, you eat a few of them, and you're like,
Yeah, I'll probably make you at 5.
I'm gonna say 6. Because the salt content is right there. It doesn't need to be much
But no,
saltier.
the salt's good. I just wish I'd be able to taste something else aside from the saltiness. Like, I don't know. I feel like it's a little bit of a bland flavor. I don't know.
all right, co-sign.
It does taste exactly what you think it would taste
Yeah,
like.
it's true. Like legitimately their intent for taste is right there.
So yeah,
Being a chicken skin.
I don't hate them. I would eat these.
I think we're all probably 5, 6, like they're.
So we about halfway on the send.
Yeah, I don't think I'd go out of my way to order these again, but they're to try them once. Worth it to try them. However, I do think that there's a lot of things that closely mimic this to a point where if you were to tell someone these were Funyuns or what was the other thing you said?
Pork rinds.
Funyuns or pork rinds.
Yeah,
something,
it's
you
a
might
good
be
fusion
able.
between that.
Yeah, they're very, very similar in taste.
I would say
Plain
if you
Frito vibe to it.
yeah, a little bit.
However, I'm gonna say both of those snack items do it better than this. By a little bit.
Agreed.
Funyuns and
There's just a little more flavor.
more flavorful.
What?
If you threw your own seasoning on here, if you were to take, say, a ranch packet,
Agreed.
Yep.
that, these would
Like
probably
it's like-
This would slap with a
Yeah,
ranch.
this is like a really good start to
Yeah.
something that could be
Yeah.
delicious.
And again, we don't have. There are other flavors. I
Yeah,
don't
this
know
is the
what,
original flavor. So.
but those probably are better.
Yeah, if you're somebody who really enjoys chicken skins, this will slap for you, 100%. If like you're just all about the chicken skin, which some people are. Some people are just all about it. So,
So,
yep, right there. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna slightly up
okay,
it.
okay, yeah.
A little
Yeah,
sweet
agree.
up top. All right, I'm with it. I'm with it. All right.
Not bad.
Neat.
All right. Well, that's it for another review. Time to get the flock out of here.
See what you did.